As the federal trial for former Mayor LaToya Cantrell and her bodyguard Jeffrey Vappie gets closer, attorneys are asking a judge to block new evidence from being used.
Oh, Vappie's attorney has gone so far as to describe one accusation as, quote, a figment of a prosecutor's imagination. Chief investigative reporter David Hammer, he's been covering this case since day one, joining us in studio to discuss more, David, of what's in this new filing.
Yeah, Charisse and Katie, attorneys for both Cantrell and Vappie are now responding to prosecutors who wanted to include evidence like the former mayor wearing Vappie's NOPD ring and Cantrell's spending on an image consultant. Cantrell's attorney says Cantrell never tried to hide the gold NOPD ring Vappie gave her and argues it was not a gift because Vappie could take it back whenever he wanted to. Vappie's attorney also shot back at prosecutors who allege Vappie failed to produce a receipt for the ring. Vappie's lawyer says the receipt doesn't exist and was, quote, a figment of a prosecutor's imagination. Cantrell also argues the $260,000 in campaign funds she spent on fancy champagne and an image consultant have nothing to do with city taxpayer funds and don't belong in this case. Now, legal experts we spoke to said the government is trying to bring in evidence about Cantrell's campaign spending to focus more on corruption and less on her alleged effort to cover up an affair with Vappie. Now, so far, both of them have denied having an affair, and their joint trial is scheduled for October. But Vappie now says Cantrell's campaign spending has nothing to do with him. So if it's allowed in at trial, he wants Judge Wendy Vitter to hold his trial separately from Cantrell's. They both pleaded not guilty and remain free on bond. Charisse?
All right, David, thank you so much for following along with this case.